Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to show you a really quick, easy card for, I'd say, our basic stampers. Let's move this up so you can see it, all of it. This is just a really cute one. If you want to step it up a little bit, you could add an embossing folder on the background, maybe a ribbon, maybe a punch out. But what we are using on this is, first off, for the stamp set Toile Christmas. For ink, we are using Memento, and I am using the dark cherry cobbler, dark mossy meadow, and light mossy meadow. But you can use the markers too if you want. We are also going to be using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Coastal Cabana. We are using it's a 2 1/4 by 3.5 piece of Whisper White and 2 3/4 by 4-inch piece of Daffodil Delight. And then we got a 3/4 by 2-inch piece of Bermuda Bay. We are also going to be using some rhinestones, of course, stamping dimensionals and glue dots. Okay, so I'm just going to make the card base right like this. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to do is I am going to, the sprig of holly, well, I don't even think this is a sprig of holly. I don't even know what it is. But I'm going to ink that up with Memento Black. And then I'm going to stamp that right on that piece of Whisper White. Okay. And then I'm going to clean that off, okay? And then I'm going to take the dark cherry cobbler and I'm going to color in with the small end. I'm going to color in the berries. Now this is a Christmas stamp set, Toile Christmas. It is also, you could use it for almost anything, because I'm using For You With Love on this one. But if you want to use it for Christmas, these colors. You could change the colors if you want, or use non-traditional colors for your stamping, your cards. I always like to use some non-traditional colors. Okay, then I'm going to take the light mossy meadow and color in the leaves. I tell you, this is just really easy. And there we go. And then I'm taking the dark mossy meadow and I'm just going to color in the stems. I mean, if you would like to highlight it a little more, you could put some of that dark mossy meadow like right there. Or again, if you don't have blends, you can use Stampin' Right markers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this to the, and I'm not going to, I know you're going to find this hard to believe, I'm not going to center it as every side has the same amount of space. I'm going to put it more over to one side. I'm still going to give it a little color around all of it. Put something like that. Then, oh, not straight at all, Mary. Then I'm going to stamp, ink up the saying for you with love. And I am going to just stamp that, just like that, on the 3/4 by 2 inch. And where's my scissors? Ah, I have my snips around here someplace. And I'm just going to snip that off. Now I'm going to put some stamping dimensionals on these. Do what I say, not what I do. And again, if you wanted to step this up, what I would do would be, I would emboss back the card base. Maybe put a ribbon on it or two. And then I'm going to take some of my rhinestones and just place it around. And there you have it. Let's bring it down a little bit. There you go. I would really appreciate it if you like my videos and my cards, if you would please shop with me for all your Stampin' Up! Products. The information is down below. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and thanks for visiting, and have a happy day. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.